Today we have this problem with this little guy. I know absolutely nothing about cars whatsoever, but Autofix Guru channel makes it look very easy, so I bought this kit and I'm gonna try to replicate what I did in the video and see if that works. Let's go. So in the kit we have this. In the video Autofix Guru uses like glue, but it's optional. Normally with just that it should work. So basically what it does first, it makes this thing ready by putting it on the thing right here. It's sticky. I think it should be like a slime. So there you go. In the middle, it's ready. Yep. So I'm kind of obliged to make the hole bigger so I can stick the slime afterwards. Okay, so I couldn't film and stick this thing at the same time in because you need a lot of force to do that. Then basically I just cut it off with this blade, the extra, and now we're going to check, put some air in it, and then put water with soap to see if there's any bubbles. So we just put some air with my pump in there and let's see. Looks good. Thanks, Autofix Guru.